Don't let the Rome2 Library DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance. While preparing the manual steps for Rome2 Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Rome2 Library, the core logic library for Total War. Rome2, responsible for battle AI routines, campaign triggers, and world state logic. It coordinates both real-time battle simulations and turn-based campaign scripting. If missing or damaged after an update, the game may crash during startup or display errors such as resource manifest not found when loading campaign data. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for Rome2 Library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Rome2 library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Replacing Rome2 library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Rome2 library and maintaining system stability. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Rome2 library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support